What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are in Miguel's garage today, and we are going to go ahead and be doing a ISR single exit exhaust review. They make them for these cars. They make them for a bunch of different other cars as well, but you see it more commonly in the 350Z, G35, 370Zs, G37s, pretty much VQs, stuff like that. So granted, Miguel's car is not stock. It is supercharged, just like mine, if you didn't already follow us. But on the exhaust side, he has still in shorty headers to Burke non-resonated test pipes, ISR Y pipe, and ISR single exit exhaust, and give you our POV on our side, how it sounds, driving, cruising, all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and take her out now. Alright guys, so here we are in the car. We're gonna go ahead and just do a little cruise. We got two different angles. We'll have the camera from in here, and then we have the camera by the bumper, so you guys can kind of go ahead and get both POVs. Really sounds pretty good, like almost stock. A little bit louder, but nothing too crazy at this level.
I'd say fifth gear. Little. Fourth gear. At 50. I don't know, 3,200 RPM, 3,100. Still not terrible.
probably means it's time to go. Hi, yeah, Uber for Alex? Oh yeah, hey bro. So before we go ahead and end the video, we wanted to formally announce our next giveaway. As you can tell by the title of this video, we went ahead and did the ISR exhaust review on Miguel's car. So that is going to be the next item that we are actually going to be giving away. So if you have a 350Z, a G35, G37, 370Z, you are eligible to enter the giveaway. We're going to have all the details down in the description. We're going to be mainly doing it through Instagram, so try to communicate with us through there. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate the support. The road to 1,000 is very, very close, so let's keep it going. Thank you. Peace.